Hi everyone!
Hi,
I'm Cindy
and I'm Ressie.
and we have been making recipe videos for a while, and you've probably seen Ressie. She's an amazing baker and she likes to make things from scratch.
And you like to cook and do more of the easy to follow along recipes.
Yeah, I like to do semi-homemade recipes, but I've never made Filipino Pancit noodles before.
Me either.
And it's funny because we actually don't cook Filipino food, but we love to eat it. So today we thought we would invite our dad to come and show us how he makes Filipino pancit. So come on in, Dad.
Okay.
This is our dad, Bert.
Hello.
All right,
Yeah.
so you've been cooking a long time.
Yes.
And as a matter of fact, you used to have a restaurant, right?
Yes.
How long did you own a restaurant?
About 2 years.
About 2 years.
Yeah.
And what kind of food did you serve at your restaurant?
Japanese food. Japanese restaurant. They call it Osaka.
I thought it was a fusion. Wasn't it like Filipino and Japanese?
Huh?
Filipino Japanese.
Yeah, Filipino Japanese.
That's my mom. She's correcting him. Yeah, so it was like Filipino Japanese food, right?
Restaurant. Yes.
So tell us about pancit. Usually Filipino pancit it's made out of what?
Rice noodle.
Rice noodles.
Yeah.
But the noodles that you like to make are
Combination of Japanese and Filipino. They call it yakisoba,
okay. Yeah.
which is the Japanese noodle.
Okay. And what's the difference between the rice noodles, the Filipino rice noodles, and the yakisoba Japanese noodles?
Well, aren't the rice noodles thinner and kind of glassy color? And then
And then Japanese
yakisoba
is
like
a little bit fatter.
thicker and
Thicker.
longer.
Longer.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Dad already started preparing some of the ingredients, so why don't you talk us through all the ingredients that you
Well,
have?
first things first is this plate right here. Okay, what we have is a Chinese sausage. Okay, and this is a Japanese, what they call it, kamaboko,
I'm gonna show it.
Fish cake.
fish cake.
Okay.
And then we have
Garlic
garlic
and onions.
and onion.
Okay. And so he already chopped those up. And then you've got carrots.
Carrots, green onion, celery, and a little bit of
Chicken.
chicken, and green
Snow peas.
and
Cabbage.
repollos, which is cabbage.
And then what is this? Beef.
This is a beef cut out
Okay.
beef.
Okay. So how do you slice the cabbage just into thin shreds?
Yeah, just like this.
Okay.
See.
Tell us how you prepare the noodles ahead of time.
So we boiled water, and then you put the noodles in the strainer, right?
Yeah.
And then you poured the boiling water on top of it so that the noodles would separate.
Right.
Okay, so the noodles are ready.
Okay, then we put the oil.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Like,
Enough to cover the bottom of it.
okay.
Enough to cover the bottom. There you go. Before you actually cook the ingredients, what I do is I put the water in the oil, and when it start sizzling,
Okay.
that means the oil is already hot.
Okay.
Then first things first, and I'll go ahead and cook the garlic. Okay, here's the garlic.
Okay.
And then we pour the onion. Okay. Put both of them together.
Chinese sausage
Then put
and
both
the
the-
fish cake.
The Chinese sausage and the fish cake together. Okay, now this time I'm gonna have to use another, what do you call this?
Spatula.
Spatula. That's it. Then mix it together. Now put the chicken. The chicken is already half cooked. Okay. And the beef. Okay. See?
Smells good.
See? Put the green beans first.
So basically, you're just heating up the meat because the meat and the chicken was already pretty much cooked.
It's already halfway cooked, yeah.
Okay.
Because this is
Snow peas first.
fish That's the reason why.
Okay, now the celery.
The celery, yeah. Yeah.
Then we add the cabbage.
Yes, uh-huh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, now what we do, we put a little bit of a soy sauce first.
Are you measuring or you just pour to taste?
No, just pour it. Maybe 1/3 because of the, maybe.
Tell me when.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
So we add the noodles once most of the ingredients are cooked.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay. Now this is how you do it, okay?
Do you always use two
Yes. Yes.
spoons and spatula?
2 spatula, like this.
Because you make a big batch?
Yes.
That's why?
No, so you can actually stir it good, you know.
Well, normally you cook with a wok, right?
Yeah.
With a wok,
But
yeah.
I don't have a wok. So,
Well, this is like a wok anyway.
okay. So this pan, a deep pan, is
Deep
okay
pan.
to use
See?
since we don't have a wok.
See, look. See?
Yes.
They're pretty much all mixed up. Then what we'll do, then we'll go ahead and put the soy sauce.
Okay.
Just put a little bit of oyster
More soy sauce?
Soy sauce.
A little more?
Well,
Oyster sauce muna dear, baka
okay.
Okay.
Okay, around it, Cindy, just go put around like this.
Okay, so we added a little bit of soy sauce. Now we're going to add some oyster sauce.
Uh-huh.
Tell me when.
In the middle. Okay, that's good.
So that's probably like 1/3 of a cup of oyster sauce, maybe. Since he's not measuring.
Well, we have to taste it, see if it is okay. If not, then we have to add the oyster sauce or soy sauce or whatever.
Okay. Smells good.
Did we put sesame oil already?
No, we did not.
Not yet?
Okay.
Okay, now
Just add
go
a
ahead.
little.
Yeah. Go around it like this.
Okay, so we're gonna add a little bit of sesame oil.
Around it. Around it like that.
Sesame oil is pretty strong, so you don't want to
Okay,
add too
that's good.
much, right? So we had
Now we taste it.
we had soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. So no salt and pepper.
Huh?
No salt and
No
pepper at
salt,
all.
no, no.
Okay. So you're just gonna taste it to see if it's good.
Good. Perfect.
The sauce is good enough.
Yeah. Okay.
So
So once you get everything all mixed up and taste it, the last thing what we're gonna do now is put the green onion. Here's the green onion, and what we do, we just sprinkle it on top with a hand, just like that. And then take a picture of it. See?
and
See?
all right.
All right, and that's it. That's the last of it. See? Now it's ready to serve. All right. Now this is Pancit Yakisoba, and I'm sure that you will like it. I'm sure that you will like it.
Yes, we're gonna like it.
Our dad taught us how to make Filipino pancit.
Yakisoba style.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna do a taste test.
Okay, now,
good.
as far as Filipino, as we usually put lemon, only if you want to put lemon on top of it.
So they call that, the Filipino lemon is called calamansi, and it's a smaller orange-looking citrus.
Yeah.
But we don't have any calamansi, so we're using regular lemon.
Okay. All right.
Lemon will do.
Okay. See? Ah.
It's really good.
Oh, good.
When is pancit normally served?
Okay. Pancit, yesterday said during special occasion of the Filipino, Filipino activities. First things first. First occasion is birthday.
Noodles for long life.
Look, there you go. She said it. Noodle for long life. See, that's the reason why people live to be 100, over 100.
You must have a lot of noodles then, Dad.
Yes, because look at me, 84 years old, 16 years to be 100.
So almost every Filipino party, you are going to find pancit.
Yes. Yeah.
All right.
Right.
Thanks for showing us the recipe, Dad.
Then put it on Facebook.
All right. If you like this video, please remember to click like
And subscribe.
and subscribe.
And subscribe. What subscribe to her?
To YouTube.
This is on YouTube, Dad.
Huh?
This is on YouTube.
Oh, on YouTube.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. I think you thought this was on Facebook, right? This is on YouTube.
On Facebook.
No, this is on,
Oh.
on YouTube. It's okay.
I don't know.
Thanks, Dad.
Huh?
I know you wanted to record your ukulele playing. We'll do that on another day, okay?
No. I can go to ukulele play now.
Huh?
Yeah, well, why not?
Okay. Well, that'll be in the next video. Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
Huh?
Okay, he went to grab the ukulele, so we're back.
Okay.
What are you gonna play for us?
Well, actually, a lot of people, they said, how did you learn how to play ukulele? Well, that's just by doing like this.
Okay, you play by ear.
I play by ear.
Good job, Dad.
Good job, Dad. Nice job.
And I can play the piano too by ear.
We'll do piano on another video. All right, thanks,
Okay,
Dad.
bye.
All right.